What do you have?
Hey everybody, welcome to KJ and the crew. K and J and the crew's in bed. Oh boy.
This is okay. The folks at home, this is what the people love.
This is what the people love. Is it what you love?
Please tell us. We need more followers and viewers.
Go give us a follow.
Like, share, and subscribe.
And then follow on Instagram.
And tell all your friends. Please. Come join us on our adventure as we go tent camping, North Carolina, Stone Mountain State Park. Well, trying to fit everything in here for this camping weekend. Haha. Got it. It usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes to get everything set up.
Oh no, are you okay? Everything's fine. Everything is awesome. Everything is great when you're in a hammock. Made it to the campsite, Stone Mountain State Park. Got our tent situation figured out. Now we're gonna make some food and go on a little mini adventure. See where the night takes us. When you don't pack a regular knife for camping, so you gotta make peanut butter marshmallow sandwiches with your little Gerber knife. Oops.
We just got cloud cover and now it feels like fall and it's amazing. But then when the sun comes out, immediately feels like summer again.
So we went for a little hike to see Stone Mountain Falls. Are we gonna go see a waterfall?
My hat.
I deserve that for this.
Who thought that was funny? Yeah.
Elijah really likes chimneys right now, so when we saw one in the forest, we had to take a picture. We came on this hike at the perfect time. We hardly saw anyone and we were starting to get sunset colors.
Sun is hiding behind clouds. It's like 5:30 in the evening. Perfect time to be adventuring today. Nice.
This is one of the cooler cascading falls I've seen. It's just a large granite rock in the water just sliding down.
What's wrong, Mommy? Is it cold?
Slide down the rock in the waterfall.
Remember to be careful on your visit, be safe, don't do anything stupid.
Oh, Luke, are you giving kisses? Are you giving kisses to mommy?
This place can get a little bit crowded, but there is plenty of space to climb and play.
Whoa! Just finished playing at the waterfall. Now all these steps coming back to bite us in the butt. The water was so cold, but so refreshing. There's just one other group of people down there, so whoa. Watch where you step, please. Awesome. And Elijah's just out here trail running. Oh my goodness, he's so far. Elijah, how's the s'more taste? So it's almost 10 o'clock at night at Stone Mountain State Park, and the stars look amazing. They're so awesome. Not seeing any shooting stars tonight. And I tried to film the stars, but I don't have the technology to get a good star film. Sorry. But pretty awesome.
There he goes. 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 There he goes.
Let Luke live his life.
No.
10 a.m. Saturday morning, and it's already a scorcher. So we're gonna go play in Widow Creek Falls, get wet. Oh man, I can't wait. I'm sweating like crazy, and it's only 10 a.m. That's wild.
It's too cold. It's okay, just step in it. Your feet will get used to it.
Not that deep, right?
Yeah, it's not that deep, Mommy. You got it.
It's there.
Look at Mommy's face. She's making such a funny face.
It's not that deep. It's not that deep, right?
I think my butt crack is frozen.
Oh no. All right, just do it. Just lunge. You got it.
But it's so scary because you can't see anything. I don't
There's nothing down there. I was already in. It's fine. Just lunge. Just lunge forward. Hurry.
There's nothing there, like
There- no, you're fine. Just go. Okay. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. Elijah, go get her. You want to go rescue Mommy? There we go. Yay! She's a mermaid.
You can hike up to other parts of the falls to find other little pools to play in.
Whoa! Yay!
All right, so we just finished at Widow Creek Falls. We got there about 10 a.m. and stayed almost 2 hours. It was a lot of fun. That was a really good place to stop.
The water was so cold.
It was freezing, but it actually felt kind of refreshing, and I don't like cold water, so the fact that I got in was impressive for me.
Yeah, and they do have a couple spots where you can like slide down on the rock, which is fun, kind of like Sliding Rock in Pisgah, but there's no lifeguard or anything, and you definitely have to be careful because everything's really slippery.
Some kid brought an inner tube, and that was super smart. He went down really fast, so that was cool. But we had a really good time. When we got there were only us and another car, so 2 cars total. So it was like perfect, about 10 a.m. When we left, the entire parking lot was filled with cars. So
we picked a good time to go,
Yeah.
so the parking lot fills up.
Earlier is better if you do it.
Then we decided to take a short hike to Hutchinson Homestead.
Come on, views. Show up.
This hike is part of the Stone Mountain Loop, but that hike is 4.5 miles, so we just hiked out to the homestead and back. It was too hot today to do the 4.5 miles, we thought. Then we came back to camp to have bacon for lunch, and then went out to a little shop to grab some ice cream. After ice cream, we perused the visitor center.
Finished our ice cream. Now we're back at Widow Creek Falls for some more swimming. It is a hot day.
Yeah! Woo!
I did watch a couple other people do this water slide, and it seemed safe enough.
So we live in America, so we got our cowboys. Woo! Whoa! Oh! That looked like it hurt. Elijah, you just stole my candy. Are you over there laughing? You laughing about stealing my candy? Snuggles in the hammock.
Hammocking with my boys.
There were some people who were camping here who were just here to stargaze and do astrophotography. So this was the weekend of the meteor shower, and unfortunately I couldn't hang late enough to really get the great views of the shower.
Hey Luke, what are you doing, bud? Are you getting ready?
Sunday morning, it's get up, grab breakfast, get packed up, get ready to head home. Once again, thank you for watching.
Elijah, do you want to give us a tour of the campsite?
No.
Okay, great. Go ahead. I go first. Oh boy.
This is what happens when it's 11 o'clock at
11
night
o'clock
and we're filming.
trying to film because we need the crew to be in bed in order to do this.
Yeah.
All right, you ready?